everyone, it's Nicole, and today I got my February BoxyCharm for 2019 box. I'm super excited for y'all to see what I got in my box. Sorry, yeah. So without further ado, let's just get on into this box. So first I got the card, and the theme for this month is Afterglow, and on the back it has the products and the pricing and descriptions and the and hashtag you can use. So we're going to first of all roll my calculator and get that ready. So boom. Also, do we love my Dolan Twin sweatshirt, because we stand here. We stand for the Dolan Twins. So the first thing in my box is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. And honestly, when it comes to facial stuff like this, as bad as it sounds, I don't know if it's bad, but for me personally, I have struggled most of my life trying to find what works perfectly for my skin. I need to sit higher. Does that help? I think that helps. So in my box, I got the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser, and I'm gonna be totally honest with y'all, I have not used this because usually when it comes to products like this, I stick with what I know and what works for my skin, just because most of my life it's been hard for me to find actual products that actually worked for my skin and kept them clean and clear and this. So also I am currently just getting over being sick, so I can barely smell. Oh. But what I can smell, I kind of like. It's not a heavy scent. I'm gonna see if it has anything on here. It says that this lifts dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup off of your skin. It's made for daily use for sensitive skin. Oh, it says keeping those with sensitive skin in mind. So the ingredients are coconut, sugar, amino acids, and a powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and lycerice root. I don't know most of those things except for chamomile, aloe, and that's it. But it smells really good, so I don't know. My friend here on YouTube, Makeup by Emily19, she legit got the same thing, so she said she was interested in it, so I don't know if she's tried it yet or not, but if she has, maybe she can comment down below or something to let y'all know, because I'm scared, because I just got my face back to itself have not break out, and it's been this is the clearest it's been in so long, and I'm just scared with stuff like this to screw it up. So I don't know, it's interesting to get this, and it's a good size. This is what's the size of this? It's 3.4 fluid ounces, so that's not bad, and this retails for $22. So that is the first product. I got a hair. I need to hold on. I have makeup on, but I can't smell shit. Oh, I hope you can mix that with powders, because I just did. Boom, pow. So the next thing in the box is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you, y'all. I have decluttered this and then put it back in my collection, and then decluttered it and put it back in my collection. I had a sample travel size of this in my collection, excuse me, but I had other mascaras I went for. Currently, this is what's on my lashes, right now. I don't know if you can see it perfectly well, but from what I heard online, what you have to do is you have to take the wand, you have to take it and wiggle it up to your lashes. So you put it up, mine are kind of short, and you just wiggle it from the root to the tip. And I got mascara right there. But as you can see, my lashes aren't bad. So I don't know if the ones I was using before, the formula was just, or I let it sit too long. I don't know what, but I was going to declutter this. But as of right now, I'm going to keep it and keep trying it out. Because for natural makeup days, this would actually be a really good mascara. So this retails for $24, and this is a full-size product. Next, we have the Trestique Prime and Color lip glaze. Now, I used to get Tristique all the time in my Ipsy bags. Honestly, when it comes to lip crayons or like lip shapes like this, like it's just something I'm not personally into. And it also has like a primer on the bottom, which I want to see if there's like, says anything. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. And then again, this is in the shade English Rose. I really do love the packaging. I remember the first time I got one of these in my Ipsy, I thought the cap got lost. I remember that, and I freaked out, and I was like, oh. Personally, again, like I said, I just don't go for lipsticks like this, like, that are thin. I do see how this can work really well, like, to line the lip, kind of, in a way, because it's so thin. Also, the color is just a color I personally would not go for, so I'm not going to be keeping this. And I did use the primer, which is right here. It's like right here, and I have tried it. I haven't tried it with this on top really, but I don't know, it's a cool concept, but I just like wasn't that happy with it just because this is not a shade I would personally wear. And again, or not again, and this retails for $25. Is that right so far? 24 plus 22 plus 25. Yep, okay. So the next product in here is this. So this is the Touch and Soul No Problem Smoothing and Pouring. The Smoothing and Pore Covering Primer, and this is 1.01 fluid ounce. I have seen this multiple times going around YouTube, and at TJ Maxx we actually sold this too for like, we had one and it just sold. I am wearing this primer right now, and I've worn it to my work, and how it just goes on, it feels so nice. Usually primers with like a silicone-y kind of feeling to it, I'm not like the hugest fan of, but honestly, I'm really in love with this primer, and I wore it to work, and it got that a-okay, because at work, I tend to be kind of like getting hot, because the building I work in is kind of old, so I do tend to get like, you know, sweaty in there, like, sorry if that's TMI or not, but it's like, it's true. And so, you know, at the end of the night, I'll go check in the dressing room mirror, and I'll check on my makeup, and I checked with this at work, and my skin looked perfectly fine, like it does with the Neutrogena Rice Protein Complex primer that I use for work. So I'm actually really in love with this, and this doesn't expire until 2021, so like, hello. And this retails for $18, and it feels so luxurious. Like, I think that's glass. That is glass, and it smells really good. Like, there's a smell, but like, it's not like overpowering. Like the Too Faced coconut one, the Hangover RX, that's not overpowering, but you know how you can smell the coconut, whereas this one, you can smell a little bit of it going on, but it's just, it feels so great, and it has a pump. And honestly, this is my favorite product in this box this far. And again, this retails for $18. So the last product in the box is this. This is the Pretty Vulgar highlighter. This is in the shade 127. I don't know. Okay, it says in Shimmering Swan. I guess Sparkling Sass is like what their highlighters are called. I love their packaging. It's just so like cute and luxurious. You can buy this at Sephora, and this retails for $32. So this is what the highlight looks like, and I'm actually wearing it right now. Now, looking at it in pan, it looks, on camera it looks pink, but when I'm looking at it, it looks gold. And it's really weird because, like, again, I'm looking here on my iPad and it looks pink, but it's gold here. And, like, on my face, it's, like, a gold. And usually when it comes to gold highlights, I'm just kind of scared because they can be a bit too dark because I am kind of pale. So when it comes to when it comes to golden highlights, it's something I can't really wear because they're too dark. And when I look face forward, you can see, like, a cast. I mean, you can see a cast because I put, like, a lot on of this. But, like, it's not too dark for my skin. And I really do appreciate that. So, I don't know. I thought about decluttering this about the same time, like, I can't find a lot of gold highlights that work for my skin tone, so I'm actually going to be keeping this. And even, like, putting it on here on my Snapchat with my flash, you can tell that it is gold. Where my friend Emily, and I'm not saying that she's like wrong, but like she was saying it as pink, so I don't know if it is, you know, supposed to be like rose gold pink. But how I'm looking at it and how you can see on the screen, wherever Emily puts it, because she's also my editor, it looks gold with a flash. So, I don't know, and I'm not putting a filter on top of it. Like, this is actually, like, you can't see because it's so bright. But this is actually my hand with just the flash of my phone. So, I don't know, but... So, I'm going to go ahead and do the math. So, like I said, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is full size, and this is, no, I did that wrong, is $24. The Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlight is $32. The Touch and Soul No Problem Primer is $18. The Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser is $22. And the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon is $25. So you originally paid $21 for this box of 5 to 6 full-size products. And the box for this month, I'm going to try to get it on the screen, is $121. So... like, that's good. Like, you know, like, you paid $21, so there's, like, $100 worth in this box you didn't. Like, you know what I'm saying? So, like, that's crazy to me. But honestly, like I said, I am honestly mind blown with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, because, again, I used to, like, love this mascara, and then I found other ones, and so I kind of, like, stopped liking this, but as seeing this on my lashes right now, I'm really liking how it looks, so I'm going to be keeping this along with the Pretty Vulgar highlight. Not that I need more highlights in my collection, but it's just a unique thing because, like I said, I can't find a lot of golden shades that actually work for my skin tone. So I'm going to be keeping that, and I'm, of course, going to be keeping the No Problem primer. Like, this is my absolute favorite primer that I have tried, and again, usually when it comes to primers, I'm kind of like, because my skin's so freaking picky and, like, sensitive to shiz. So I'm happy that this actually worked because I've been wanting to try this for years, and I finally have it in my collection, and I'm just excited. So I'm keeping 3 out of the 5 products from this month's box, but I was actually really happy with this, so I'm not mad at it at all. So yeah, but if you guys enjoyed my BoxyCharm box, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not seen my friend Makeup by Emily 19's BoxyCharm unboxing, make sure you go check her out. I'll have her channel down in my description box. And if you had the same box, like, what was your favorite product? And if you had the different box, what was your favorite product and what did you have? So I love you guys so much. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are. And remember to love yourselves because y'all are just amazing. Love you guys. Bye.